Recycling is one way that we can help towards protecting wildlife and habitats and saving the Earth's natural resources. But what about the waste that cannot be recycled? It can also be put to good use. The general waste is brought to a building called a mechanical treatment and reception facility. Here it is tipped out into a shredder machine that rips open all the bags and makes the pieces of waste smaller. The waste goes under a magnet, which tries to remove metal things like coat hangers, pans, broken toys. But it is hard, and they may not get picked up by the magnet because they are covered in all sorts of general waste. If you really want your scrap metals to be recycled, take them to the recycling centre and put them in the scrap metal containers. The general waste is then pressed into containers which hold about 14 tons each. The containers are then loaded onto a train, which travels to a place where it will all be burned, called an energy recovery facility. The containers of general waste are taken off the train and the waste is tipped out into a pit. A large grab picks up a pile and drops it into the fire called the furnace. The general waste burns away in the furnace. A huge amount of heat is made from burning the waste. The heat passes around a boiler, which turns the water into steam. The steam spins a turbine, which is attached to a generator that makes this energy into electricity. The electricity and the heat can be used in nearby houses or factories. The burning general waste gives off gases that have to be cleaned to make them safe. The gases go through ammonia, lime, and carbon chemicals, and then pass through huge bag filters which trap and remove the dust. This means that only clean gases and steam comes out of the chimney, which are tested and carefully controlled. Using general waste to make energy means you don't have to burn any fossil fuels, such as coal and gas, and helps meet our energy needs. It is still important that you do recycle everything that you can in your other bins, because recycling saves even more energy and resources.